Doctors use MRI scans to reveal hidden problems quickly. These scans provide actionable insights to get patients on the path to recovery. As a mainframe leader, you need a tool like an MRI to scan and assess the performance of your mainframe environments. But when do you have time to perform assessments on top of all the other demands you face? The shrinking talent pool, maximizing availability across multiple environments, securing SLAs, reducing total cost of ownership, and 100 other priorities. What if you could use the power of SaaS and cloud to get a mainframe assessment quickly? Let's take a look at how CA Mainframe Resource Intelligence helps you show how your environments can help to reduce OpEx cost instead of being their perceived source. CA Mainframe Resource Intelligence is a SaaS offering with a portal where you can collect and report on scanned output from disparate mainframe data, assess and visualize potential savings and optimization scenarios, and download reports and actionable recommendations. Let's take a deeper look at each step. Performing an assessment depends on collecting all the right data about your current environment. Spreadsheets and long reports are now things of the past. With CA Mainframe Resource Intelligence, getting an assessment of the current state of configurations and utilization is a simple click on one of the base assessments available on the catalog screen. To get started, you'll select the type of assessment you want and then click Start a Scan. Let's start with the hardware base assessment. The next step is to add or select a logical container to represent the environment you're scanning. We call this container a data center. Creating a new data center works exactly as you'd expect, entering a name and description, so we'll just select an existing one here. Next, you'll download a one-step discovery toolkit, then install and run some JCL jobs to collect the relevant hardware, software, and configuration data. The directions are simple and easy and included in a PDF file as part of the download. You'll want to be sure that you create some dumps that contain SMF30 subtype 4 data for each LPAR. The scan uses these as it runs. The next step is scanning. The scan is simple and lightweight to minimize the impact on your daily ops. The output is in clear text so that you know what information you're uploading too. There are separate jobs to run for the hardware-software reports and the health check report. After each job runs, you'll have one or more small files to upload. Click Browse Files, then navigate to the files, and select one or more that you want to upload, and then click Open. When you have the desired files uploaded, click Next. The reports are available immediately after you run the related jobs and upload their resulting data. Let's start with a hardware report. In the hardware report, you can review your general hardware type, model, and serial number by complex, and then by LPAR. You can change complexes by selecting the different CPCs from the top of the report. You can drill down further by LPAR in each complex to see general information such as sysplex, processors, I/O configuration, and peripherals such as DASD, tape, and so on. You can generate and view a software report in a similar way, starting from the software-based assessment. Here your administrators and department leads can quickly see what's installed by operating systems and versions, subsystems and versions and instances, registered products by feature and versions, and vendor software by product. After generating them in the same way as hardware and software reports, the health check report allows you to drill down further to check on the health of critical assets and to examine exceptions. Each exception includes an explanation, system actions, actions you can take, and other information. Before CA Mainframe Resource Intelligence, gathering information and getting reports used to take months, or you hired consultants. Talk about time-consuming and expensive. CA Mainframe Resource Intelligence generates recommendation reports containing actionable insights you can share with your team or stakeholders in just a few days. We'll automatically notify you when you can download reports such as the Capacity Optimization Report. The report includes information about capping, the 4-hour rolling average, and utilization as MSUs. Our analysts provide a breakdown of your capacity, provide findings and recommendations, and summarizing conclusions. Do you need to know if your mainframe capacity management is optimized? Do you want to know where you can leverage the specialty engines in your existing infrastructure to reduce total cost of ownership? Do you need help understanding what software is running in your multiple mainframe environments? Are you suffering from a lack of skills to run assessments or experiencing time constraints which are blocking you from taking on this daunting task? Perhaps you're getting ready for the next review of your mainframe environment. CA Technologies is here to help. Medical MRIs provide actionable insights, and so can CA Mainframe Resource Intelligence. In getting a mainframe assessment, We'll be able to provide you with deep insight and prescriptive recommended actions. Let's get you started with your first system scan with CA Mainframe Resource Intelligence. Request your economics assessment today. You can get more information about CA Mainframe Resource Intelligence by clicking the information bubble in the upper right corner or by using the link in the description below this video.